UW Health is opening a brand new medical center in Eastpark. It's the largest one to be completed this year in the U.S. The more than 475,000 square foot, 7-story facility will offer more than 40 types of specialty care for adults. The new facility aims to provide centralized service connected by hallways, not highways. Patients can expect wraparound care for complex conditions like cancer and specialty care for women, among other medical services.
Well, we're going to lean into what is unique about UW Health, which is being an academic medical system and leading with clinical trials, leading with cutting-edge therapies that you cannot get anywhere else.
The building also features more than 1,100 pieces of original art, with more than 70% by Wisconsin artists. Patient appointments at UW Health Eastpark will begin on October 28th.